Jesus tells a similar thing in today's gospel. He says, if your brother, that does not mean only brother, maybe also your sister, you have some dispute between two of you, go and tell him or her and try to settle it. If he listens to you, well and good. Otherwise, take 2 or 3 people as witnesses and try to settle it. If it is settled, well and good. If he doesn't listen, even to the 2 or 3 people, then bring that matter to the church, means to the community, the Jewish community Jesus was referring to. There was no Catholic church at that time. And if he doesn't listen to the church, leave him as a Gentile or a tax collector. That means as a sinner. The principle given by Jesus was followed much before Jesus and even later on. It is only when the modern system came of democracy, courts, lawyers, judges, and all they came. And we had money in our hands. Therefore, instead of settling it with us, we ran to the police station and to the courts, wasting our time, wasting our energy, wasting our money for years, and moreover, increasing anger, animosity, hatred, jealousy, and all. The principle of Jesus is still valid for today. A good lawyer, not all the lawyers, a good lawyer will tell you, don't go to the court. Try to settle it outside the court. It is much better. Because in the courts, especially in our country, the cases are not settled, not for years, for generations. Civil cases will go on for 2 generations, 3 generations. So we as Christians, can't we do this?